Alright, well, cooking conspiracy. And because I didn't get to play hide the pickle this weekend, we're doing the next best thing, and we're making fried pickles. Because everybody knows women love pickles. And make good fried pickles, it might help you find a new place to hide your pickle. Now you need your pickles, and then you need to make a breading. So you got flour, pepper, salt, cayenne pepper, paprika, egg, and then milk. Now you can use dill pickles. I use bread and butter because I like them better. And that's all there is to that decision. Alright, mix dry ingredients together. There'll be your flour, pinch of salt, some pepper, some paprika, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. The more cayenne pepper you put in, the hotter your pickles are going to be. Alright, now combine your wet ingredients. So you're going to beat an egg and add some milk to it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to dip your pickles in the flour mix, and you're going to dip it in the egg mix, and then you're going to dip it back in the flour again. And this creates a nice protective barrier for your pickle when it enters into the hot oil. I know sometimes you want to skip the protection, but it's critical that you protect your pickles with a nice breading. Alright, now get your oil nice and hot, and you're going to do a practice pickle. Because some words that you never want to have your pickle described as a soft, floppy, flaccid. And you get that if you try to cook in cold oil. So your oil needs to be hot. Yeah, but not too hot. Otherwise your pickle cooks way too fast. Yep, after the test pickle, you know it's gonna be good, so you go back and you put the rest of the pickle in. Do it in batches so you don't drop the temperature of your oil too much. They fry in about a minute, 2 minute max, real quick. And then they're nice and crispy on the outside, and then you know how you want your pickles to be described as firm, crisp, succulent, tasty, seasoned, spicy. I mean, all good things here about your pickle. Golden brown pickles, and I'm gonna feed my pickles to my lady here in a minute. I'm gonna let you watch. Oh no! I fed the pickle to the boy! Oh no! Guess we both will get fed pickles. Pickle for each of them is a general good rule.